problem? What is it this morning? What is it? What is it?
Mama, I gave this idiot some money to keep for me. Tell her to go and bring it.
Where is her money? Oneko, where is her money?
I've used the money. But I said I will pay now. Did I not say I will pay? Did I not say I will pay?
Mama wants to say 32 kita for here.
Stop it now!
Mama, this girl is wicked. Agent of destruction. She knew I was going to make use of that money today. Yet she went ahead and spent it. I'm Wusu.
How much is the money? Vera, how much?
3,000, no? 3,000!
Did you say
3,000? Only 1,3,000.
You said only 3,000 naira. You don't have 3,000 naira, and you're here calling 3,000 naira only. Yet you don't want to pay. You don't have it, and you're saying only 3,000 naira. Look at that. 3,000 naira only. Become one.
Okay, because my
I will
is
pay
begging
the
you.
money.
Because my is begging you. That's why I think that.
I'll pay.
We've not finished though.
Mama,
we've not finished.
Mama, what did you
no,
say?
Come and fight now.
I said
Come
I'll
and
give
fight.
you the money. Chase me.
Come and fight. Let me beat you now. Come and fight. I will beat you now. Come and fight.
3,000 naira.
Come now.
Mama, don't kill your sister. Don't kill your sister. My daughter left home now for the past 6 months for her youth service in the north. And since then, I've not heard from her. Her phone is switched off till today. Hell, I'm I know they have not killed my daughter. Oh God, protect my daughter for me.
Mama, you're crying. Why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? Why are you crying?
I am thinking about your sister, Adobe. 6 whole months.
Mama, Adobe is fine wherever she is.
Eh? Hapumaka. How can you say she is fine? Eh? She is fine, I've not heard from her. She is fine, her number is switched. Okay? 6 whole months. Eh? 6 whole months I've not heard nor seen my daughter. I told her to redeploy while others were busy redeploying. She insisted on going to Sokoto to serve. Now look at it. I cannot hear from her. I've not seen her. No news of her. And you're here telling me she is fine.
Mama, stop doing this.
I was gonna be here. Because 6 months I brought be ataji. 6 months I brought be ataji. God, I know my daughter will be fine. I know she will not die.
Amen.
I know she will come back alive.
Amen.
Wherever she is, oh God, bring her back home.
And that's for a lot. No. It is said, honor should be given to whom honor is due.
Oh, yes.
The king is an illustrious son of this land. We are gathered here today to give him that honor that is due him.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Shall I proceed?
Go ahead, Honor.
Ikenga, in appreciation of your good work in this community, most especially those went of our community. We, the elders of Amazing Land, have decided to honor you as Ubiego one of Amazing Land. Ubiego! It also said, beside every successful man, there is a woman. Yes. On this note, we honor our beautiful wife as Osedieme one of Amazing Land.
Osedieme one. Yeah, that's all right.
Osedieme one. Ubiego one. Elders of our great land. Ubiego. I greet you.
Yes, Ubiego.
We greet you.
Thank you.
Yes. My wife and I are grateful to you for this honor, for finding us worthy to be honored in this manner. We thank you. I also want to let you know that I will continue to do my job. As a great son of this community, I will continue to develop this land. Oh yes, and by the special grace of God, I believe that we will always have what it takes. Kochi to keep doing this great work, and to the benefit of our people, to the glory of the Almighty God. I like that. Let us now proceed to my mansion, my edifice, my Taj Mahal. Let's proceed and have merriment. Right. Oh yes, in Igbo language we say, Oh.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know, I am the lip on not the salon.
You are back.
I would be a go on to my mess.
So I'm back, my daughter. Give me water to drink.
Mama, is it true?
Get me water first. Let me drink. Chioma and her mother will suffer. They must face the wrath of God. They cannot reap where they did not sow. It's not possible.
Do you want some more?
Thank you. I'm okay.
So, is it true?
Yes. The occasion is ongoing as we speak.
My sister is supposed to be the one enjoying all that. Chioma, you will know no peace all your life.
Where is Vera, your sister?
She has gone to the occasion.
What? She has gone where?
I told her you said we should not go. But as usual, she left.
Hi. Vera, you have beaten more than you can chew. You will come back and meet me in this house. I am going to teach you a lesson of your life. Take this back to the kitchen.
What is really going on? I wish I can locate you wherever you are.
The reason behind Ikenga's action, I don't understand. Obieko had so much money on him. What made him to stop giving us our own? Barnabas, I felt so embarrassed today. I am embarrassed myself. I mean, why did he say we should come to his house? Did you see how he spread money all over the occasion today? Anyway, we have to comply. We'll go to his house. We'll go to his house.
Welcome back here.
Where are you coming from? Are you deaf? I said, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the palace.
You went to the palace. After all my warnings, you went to the palace. Why have you decided not to be useful to yourself, Vera?
Why?
Mama, I don't like that statement. I don't like that statement at all.
Shut up, Mechiano. I am talking to you. Shut up.
See, Mama, nobody should control me in this house. I am old enough to control myself in this house. So nobody should tell me what to do.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Ifele Maggie. After all I told you, after my warning and advice, you still went to that palace.
You people should leave me in this house. You people should leave me. I am not the cause of anybody's problem in this house at all. You people should leave me.
Shut up! Don't you have respect?
Don't shout at me. Don't go in. See, don't touch me.
And if I touch you again, what will you do?
Try it now. See, let me tell you, I'm not scared of anybody in this house, including you in Kem. I am not scared of you in this house. I am not scared of you. Nonsense.
Look at her. Mbechi. Go back to that palace. Go and eat there.
Okay. Mama, I am giving you the respect you deserve in this house. I will teach her a lesson of her life.
Please, I don't want trouble. Leave her. Oh no, Oba.
Yeah, what can do spoil my title? If you can't pronounce it well, let me teach you. It is Ubiego 1. Yes, if you now want to say it, full like that, it popped you off of my. It's Ubiana Kotego 1. Ubiana Kotego in Kizizi, Ameze Kingdom. Alright, listen. Let me tell you what it means. The farm where you harvest money. You see, other people go to their farms and they harvest rice and yam and all that rubbish. When you come to my own farm, you harvest money. Oh yes, Ubiana Kotego 1. Okay, listen. My containers will be coming in about 2 weeks. Huh? Oh yes, I don't want them to waste time at the wharf. Clear them immediately.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am Lily.
Stop there. Your hands in the air.
What do you want? I'm here to see Ikenga.
Shh! Shut up! You are here to see Ubiego 1. Well, say it.
I am here to see Ubiego 1.
Yes.
Fine, anything it will cost, just let me know, okay? Let me know. Send your account number and I'll send you the money immediately. Okay, fine, alright. Alright, later, later. Hello? Send him in. How are you?
Ubiego nenoa. Ubiego. Iye ubiana kotego nenoa. Ubiego. Onye chego no mwelonu. Aye. Ubiego. Onye chego no pupodogo. Ubiego. Anekweku anememe ifugo. Ubiego. Ubiego no jibano mko. Aye.
Oh, yeah, nothing to worry about. I'm listening. Tell me, how much will it cost? Oh, 4 million. Okay, me like it, go. You like it, go. You love money. It's okay, it's okay. I'll send you account details. I'll send 3 million naira right away. 3 million naira. Huh? Consider it and let me know. No. Hold on. Yes. I'm sending it right away. Now think about it, let me know, okay? Fine. Honorable Commissioner of Police. Welcome. Of course, Ubiego speaking. I hope you got what I sent to you through your voice. Ulubegaka? Don't worry, Commissioner. You have nothing to worry about. Even if your boys spend the money, let me know. Why another one? Honorable Commissioner, welcome to Onuma for Fuman of one of Doguna Wagoku. Ubiego Nkizizi. Alright. Okay, fine. I'll be expecting your call.
King.
Point of correction. Ubiego 1.
I see.
Obronke I see Echime Echichi. Address me well, Echime Echichi. Ubiego 1. Boya.
Ubiego 1.
Good. Bozuzi Ofuma. Ubiana Kotego Nkizizi.
Ubiana Kotego Nkizizi.
Sit down. Why are you here to see me?
I came to see you because of your brother. Ikenga. Sorry. Ubiego. Your brother needs help. He said you have not been taking his call.
Go straight to the point. Why are you here?
Your brother needs money.
Did you give me money to keep for you? Huh? Did you give me any money to keep for him? What are you going to do anyway? Are you not in this country? Things are tight everywhere. It's rough. We're on your G1 naira now. It's terrible everywhere. Just need money. Is there anything else? What are you going to do anyway? Is there any news? Huh? Didn't you see the man they were questioning the collapse? Do you know why? Only got that money. What are you going to do anywhere? It's no money.
What is wrong with this madman? Get out of my way! Seems you want trouble today. You are this young man. What is wrong with you? Why are you blocking my way? Are you sick or something?
I'm walking about young man.
Who the hell are you?
I want us to talk. I want us to talk.
You want us to talk?
Yes.
Now listen to me, Peter. This should be the very last time
you will bring your miserable self and block me while I'm driving. You want us to talk? Talk about what? I'm asking you, talk about what?
I'm not living here till you grant me the audience to talk with you.
Well, I will not have a talk with you. Everything we shared is over. I have gotten a man after my heart. Why is it so hard for you to understand? Are you deaf?
You have gotten a man you're satisfied with? Damn it. William Cable. And it remains so.
You are a madman. Who is your wife?
You forgot this off Eh?
What is that?
You are my wife and nothing will stop me.
Your wife?
Okay.
What is that?
Okay. I will bother you go.
Were we ever married?
Yes.
Do I know you? Do you want to see Kabad? Who is your wife? Let me warn you. Don't you ever block my car, else break those tiny legs of yours.
Shoma, I'm walking around.
You are a madman.
You are a madman.
You are a madman.
Peter.
No, don't worry. Just stand there. You know you're a walking corpse. Stand there. No, just stand there. Stand there. Let me break your legs. You're a madman. Onyala, stand there. Come on, get out of my way. Idiot. Bastard. No. Come, next time. Let me break those tiny legs of yours. Next him come for. Coming to block my way. Madman.
God, I worship you. Thank you, Jesus.
Adam, I missed you.
Adam, you kept us in the dark. Hell.
Mama, I'm sorry. I know. Let's go inside. I will explain everything to you.
Ada, hope you bought something for me.
Of course.
Ada,
where is Vera?
Get up and get up. Go.
Mama.
Ada.
Boy. Check this at the gate.
Okay, sir.
My name is Adobe. I am here to see Kenga. He's my fiancé.
Okay, just hold on. Attention.
What can I do for you?
I'm here to see my fiancé. My name is Adobe.
A boy. Get the register.
Ikenga will never cease to surprise me. He has finally completed this building.
He now has bodyguards. Hey!
Please, why are you keeping me waiting?
Relax.
Select these vegetables very well. Wash them. I want to make onubu soup for your sister to eat.
Oh, Mama.
Okay.
Mama?
Where's your sister Adobe? She's not in the house.
She went out.
To where, Akwa?
To Ikenga's house.
Oh. Okay. You didn't tell her?
Mama, honestly, there is nothing I could do. I didn't know how to break the news to her.
Hi, okay. You should have persuaded her to wait till I come back.
Mama, like I said, there is nothing I could have done. She was so desperate to see him.
Hi. I feel for my daughter Adobe. Nkem, you did not do well. Honestly, you did not do well.
Ikenga, how could you? What did I do to you?
Adobe, you need to calm down. Let me explain.
Explain what? Explain what? Listen, I am very, very disappointed in you.
Look, it's not entirely my fault. Okay, you need to listen to me and understand. You traveled to Sokoto for your youth service program and then we lost contact. I don't know if you switched off your phone or you changed your number or something. I couldn't reach you. Even your family couldn't reach you. What was I supposed to do? Huh? Sometimes I needed to get married so I could, get my title.
And you now decided to marry my own friend. My supposed best friend, Ikenga, another man's wife.
Points of correction. I was divorced before he married me.
Oh, I see. You evil woman. Listen to me. You will regret every bit of this. Yes. I promise you, for every pain you've caused me, you are going to regret it.
I did nothing to you. Life is all about choices.
You're nothing but a bloody traitor. Now I see why you left your husband. Shameless whore.
Remember, she's my wife. Calm down, okay? Listen.
Calm down, darling. You don't need to pay attention to her.
Onye chego no mwelonu aye Onye chego no pupodogo Ane kwekwa meme ifugo Ubiego no jikwano mko
Adam, are you still crying? Why?
Tell me, Mama. How am I supposed to bear this? How am I supposed to swallow this shame? All these years, I was waiting for Ikenga. I rejected so many suitors just because of him.
Ada, forget everything that has happened and move on with your life. Pick on one.
Ada. Ada. I know how difficult it is to put our past behind us. But trust me, whatever idea Mama has given you is the best. Just do it, please.
Go.
Choma, we never go scot-free from this. She left her own husband, only to take my own man away from me. I will make sure she pays for every pain she has caused me.
Adam, I will advise you leave everything in the hands of God. Let God be the judge. Become one.
Ada, please now, stop crying. Please now.
Has she eaten something?
Mama, she has not. She said she doesn't have appetite.
You don't have appetite? Ada, you want to start starving again?
Ada? Mama, Ada should know she is causing more harm on herself. And I am no longer happy about this. I like you, Rosemia. Go. What's in car again?
Martina, you and your daughter Chioma will pay for all this rubbish. You will never go scot-free. My God will judge you.
Good afternoon.
Hey! Get off now. May that in-law kill you. How many times have I warned you never to address me as your in-law again? I am no longer your in-law. Not now, not ever. What is this?
But we are still in-laws, no matter what happened.
Do I look like your in-law? No, take a good look at me. Do I look like your in-law? My daughter is married to a man who is capable to take care of her. And that automatically changes everything. Get it into your thick, empty skull. What is this?
So you are supporting your daughter?
But I should support you. No, I should support you. Of course, I should support my daughter. Because she's married to a capable man. A man who is not worthy to take care of his wife is not good to be called a husband. Even the Bible says it, that a man that cannot take care of his family is worse than an infidel. And you're worse than that.
Don't cast aspersion on me. You don't cast aspersion on me. I am not an infidel. It's okay. The battle line has been drawn. Mark it.
Get away. I am not afraid of your cheap threats because they are so watery. Because you have nothing.
We shall see. We shall see.
Hungry man, go and eat. And put on better clothes. So anybody that sees you now will think you're a man. Look at what you're wearing. In-law. Look, don't see what you're wearing. You're as good as naked because you're wearing rag as clothes. Look at him. That cast aspersion on me. Anybody that hears it now will think he's a human being and stuff. Not knowing that he's an empty barrel. Nonsense. Undi work up Obi from where go. Nonsense. Let me see your 2 legs here again. Come and ruin my beautiful mood. Look at how beautiful I'm looking. It's calling me an in-law. Do I look as wretched and miserable as he is?
We are here to see our nephew.
Who is your nephew?
Ubiego.
Tinia 1. Ubiego 1.
Ubiego 1.
Is it an appointment?
Yes.
Yes. What are your names?
I'm Onweze, while is Barnabas.
Barnabas.
One is Wednesday and one is Barnabas. Okay, boss.
Mama, wait. I want to understand this. You mean Peter brought himself to this house?
Yes. Even saying, stop casting aspersion on me. He was so foolish to have done that. Bringing his 2 left legs with monkey jacket here.
He can do whatever he wants. He can rant for all I care. But I'm just going to let him know this. If with this happiness, now that I'm settled, Peter will not spoil it. He won't try it. Because anyway.
This is why you should discuss what is going on between you and Peter with your husband. Peter should be made to leave you alone.
Mama,
Give me enjoy your life.
He can't go me. He should leave me alone. Look at Peter that sleeps and snores like a cow. Poverty. He's number 1. He won't allow me have my peace. Now that I'm happy, he wants to come and spoil it. If he likes, let him bring the heaven down to earth. He would not spoil my happiness. I won't let it happen. What I will do to Peter, Mama?
You have to be careful. You have to be very, very careful. Talk to your husband about it. Prevention is better than cure. Talk to your husband.
Mama, not to worry. Let's just let it be. I will handle it. Opa Peter, I will handle him.
That's why I told you. Eh? So that I won't be there. Thank you for everything you brought for me. I like them. Thank you.
Mama Biko, you sound like this is the first time I'm bringing something to you.
As if you knew my rice was remaining small.
Mama, the way you eat rice, you have to be careful.
What have I done to you? Why can't you allow me to have peace in this house? Eh? What have I done to you in this house?
Vera, I'm taking enough insult from you in this house. Okay,
now tell me, what did I do now? What did I do? What?
How dare you raise your voice at me?
If I raise my voice, what will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Somebody come here! Somebody come now! You're there watching your power! Hey! This children will not kill me. If I have one lady,
Am I not your mother? Nigerian, you're here, your mouth is...
Oh, did the bodyguard not tell him that we are still with him? Has he forgotten?
Okay, talk to me. Just talk to me. This is Ubiego. Listen, let me tell you. Odoguni Ibiara. Oh no. How is business in China? Don't worry, I'll join you people soon, huh? Alright, I have some visitors. Let me attend to them. Alright. Ichie Barnabas.
Ubiego one.
Ichie Barnabas. Okay.
Ubiego one.
Ichie Wednesday.
Ubiego one.
Ichie Wednesday.
Ubiego one.
On your mark.
You are the first in Amazing Kingdom.
I like that. And I'll always be the first.
Yes.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Hey, Ubiego. Welcome to my home.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ubiego one.
You see, I called both of you here because I want to have a very important discussion with you. It's not everybody I invite to my home. Before I tell you to come here, there must be a reason. Very important. Private discussion. Good. Ichie Barnabas.
Ubiego one.
Ichie Nweze.
Ubiego one. You are the farm that makes money. The other farm are like coconut farm, plantain farm. In fact, those ones are not it. But your farm makes money. And people come from far and near to collect and collect and collect, but it never goes dry.
I like that. And it will never go dry. Will it ever go dry? I like that. Pinyalu feels about 2 wraps, 2 wraps each. Once again, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Let me assure you, where that money just came out from, it can never run dry.
Bano.
Anytime you need money, feel free, huh? Call me on the phone. Sim Ubiego, Ubiana Kotego, almost Kwaki Vesede.
That's great. The God that we serve will continue to bless you more and more for us. It's wonderful.
I like that. Yes, indeed, God has blessed me. I will continue to bless other people. And that brings me to why we're seated here. You see, men like me who read the Bible, in Genesis 37:5, God spoke to Joseph in a dream. In the same vein, God spoke to me. You see, I've had this dream for quite a while, and I think it's time to actualize that dream. That is why I sent for both of you, because I need you to make that dream a reality.
Ubiego one. You see, you don't even need to ask. Anytime, any day, for anything, you can count on our unalloyed support.
Oh yes. Just there for us. You have our maximum support. Full time.
I like that. I want to be king of Ameze Kingdom.
What did you say?
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know who they go, I am the lipo, not the follow, they go, then I do they go. I would they go one no na mess, who they go, buku dogo, who they go, Ndazo na kutano chilibi, yele, na nikenga bego kona kutano biyao, who they go, onwele ko dogu se meni feo.
Why are you dragging my shirt like this?
Yes, I have to. What are we going to do now? Ikenga's ambition cannot be achieved.
Yes, but let us go home, eh? Let's go and think about it.
What are we going to think about now? The next Igwe will be produced by Akama clan, not our clan.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
So, why didn't you tell him then if you know that we are right? We would have told him right there.
I think he's aware of it. He's aware. And that is why he's asking us to assist him.
How are you going to assist him now? Eh? How can you convince the people?
It will be difficult, I know. That is why I'm saying we should go home and think about it. Huh? We better go now because this money here, I don't want anybody to take it from you.
Is it 200,000?
You have to mention the amount. Yes, now, don't you know that the wars have ears? Let's go, let's go.
You are correct. Let's go.
Madam, I've heard how you insulted and even fought your elder sister in Kem when I was out. Is it true?
Fine.
Eh? No. What did you just say? No, what did you just say now? I'm asking you, what did you just say?
Since they have told you what they want to tell you and you have concluded, I don't have anything to say. All I have to say, it is fine. It is fine.
What kind of a child are you? Madebo.
See, Mama, you think I don't know? I know that you people don't like me in this house. Nobody likes me in this house at all. Everything, Vera this, Vera that, Vera do this one, Vera did that, Vera this.
That is because you are very stubborn, number one. Number two is that you have no single respect for your elders.
I agree that I'm stubborn. No problem. I don't have respect.
Shut up! Are you mad?
Mama, you slapped me!
And I will double it if you dare talk to her again in that manner.
Slap me now! Slap me! Slap! Why you vent your anger on me? Why you vent your frustration on me? Am I the one that asked Ikenga to marry another woman? Am I the one? Or am I the one that asked him to leave you? Am I? You should better leave me in this household! You should leave me in this household! Leave me in this household!
Don't do that, please. Take it easy. It's okay.
So good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
Very well. How's the family?
Yeah, you're fine. I hope all is well.
My name is Peter.
Peter. Okay.
I am Chioma's husband. I want you to talk to your brother, Ikenga. He's holding on to what belongs to me. Chioma is my wife. I have paid her bride price.
Young man, are you aware that this woman you're talking about is now married to Ikenga, Ubiego one of this kingdom.
I married Chioma first. She is my wife. Please, talk to your brother.
You are the one I should be talking to.
Mama?
Yes. You. Why are you chasing shadows? Huh? This woman we are talking about has made her choice. Why don't you make your own choice? There are women all over the place. Why are you disturbing yourself? Huh? Go and look for another woman and marry.
Ichie, I am disappointed to say the least. You're talking like this?
How do you expect me to talk? Well, you can be disappointed. But let me warn you. My nephew Ikenga is a very dangerous man. If I were you, I'll be very, very careful while dealing with him. Go and marry another woman.
Ichie, I don't care whether your brother is dangerous or not. I don't care. Tell him to leave my wife alone. Otherwise, you will not like what will happen. Ichie, you will not like what will happen. I paid Chioma's bride price. I did not abduct Chioma. Tell your brother. Tell your brother.
The fly that refuses to listen to advice follows the corpse into the grave. I told you.
Martina, I have come to officially say thank you to you for all the things you and your daughter did to my daughter Adobe. Thank you, Agumai.
Leave my house, Rosaline. Leave my house. Go away.
Tell your daughter Chioma that her reward awaits her.
You should rather say that to your daughter because my daughter is blameless. She did nothing to your miserable daughter.
I want to also tell you that no one reaps from where he or she did not sow. Have that in mind, Martina.
My daughter reaps nothing because she didn't do anything to you. So leave my house.
I will leave. But your daughter Chioma will pay for all the trouble she has caused my daughter Adobe.
My daughter pays for nothing. In fact, you should be ashamed of yourself for carrying your miserable legs to come and discuss this matter with me.
Me? You should be the one ashamed of yourself. Yes, for forcing your daughter to leave her husband and marry another man. Is that not evil?
Rosaline, you're sounding like a broken record. From last time I checked, I know that life is about choices. My daughter made her choice. So who are you to condemn her? For the last time, leave my house before I push you.
You push me. Your daughter Chioma must regret. She must pay for all the trouble she has caused her with my daughter. Have that in mind.
I regret nothing. Instead, you should be the one regretting all the poverty you're living in. Where you are, I know you're hungry. Should I give you food? Idiot!
Give me food. You think I don't know what you did? I know what you did.
What did I do? Tell me.
You bewitched Ikenga. But I promise you, that charm is going to fail you very, very soon. We shall see.
You're sounding like a loser you are.
Go, nurse your word.
Lift your head if I don't cross your miserable legs.
Look at her.
Failure.
Rosalie, you failed. Martina, you win. You will regret.
I don't have his number. Just calm down. Stop telling me to calm down. You know go to my phone only one. Give me Ikenga's number. Let me call him. I need him to come back and show me the house he built for me. I don't have his number. Butu, just calm down. He's coming.
Anyway, I don't want to believe. I don't want to think negative because
this house looks exactly like the plan I sent to him. You know, because I've got an ancho staircase in the living room. It looks like the plan I sent to him. So I believe this could really help. Okay. If you're going here now, walk out by Sigo now. I'm back. Walk out to go down. I'm back finally.
Wow. You're welcome. Baby, I hear you. Okay. I've warned you before about Nami Kenga. When I know, address me properly. Ubiego 1. Say it.
Ubiego 1.
I don't blame you. You don't know it costs money to take a title. Of course, I'm sure you've never taken a title before, you will not know. And 8 years ago, millions say what a title. So when you want to talk to me, address me properly first. Call me Ubiego 1 of Amense. Say it.
I am sorry, sir.
You're welcome, Lieutenant. Have you had something to eat?
I better remember to have something. I'm here for us to talk. So sit down and show me the house you built for me.
Lieutenant, relax.
Relax. Just tell me.
Shut up, my friend. I'm talking to your elder brother. Shut up. Not why you're my friend. I'm older than you. Relax. You will not tell me when to talk to you. Calm down. The first thing you do is to rest. Water. No sapuaro. To give you something to drink. You drink. Relax. You won't tell me when to talk to you. I'll tell you when we're going to talk. Let me see my wife upstairs. Calm down. Lieutenant, relax. Obey your brother.